To be fair, I think it's more comfortable now when a guy come out and say, or him act certain way. But when at them time there, when you're younger, I would have bashing you ever get. Seen? And when me I listen to the story, like, alright, Mr. Vegas buck up on this boy. When Mr. Vegas buck up on him, Mr. Vegas has talked to him before the camera, whatever, we just talk what we hear on the camera. He never did say nothing much. Mr. Vegas has said everything. Seeing? This man reach a foreign now, and Mr. Vegas find out where him live and reach him yard. When him reach him yard, him goes to Bam and Vegas ask him the question, ask him the question. So him start run now because him don't want to on camera. Enough people say Vegas should have just hurt him or harm him or do something to him like right there so. But Vegas is an idiot. Because you have to put your hand on him, you have to get in a problem. You putting yourself in a problem regardless of the situation. If it never did on camera now, we couldn't see. If I did after the fact now, but Vegas video him. It's a sad case because the people are bash Vegas same way and I say, oh, him and his son are same thing because this and that, which that is wrong. Nobody in a business about the youth. I know a brand the youth I get brand. Nobody in a business say the youth try kill himself a couple times. The youth try kill himself. Everybody does have the hatred towards Mr. Vegas, regardless of what he want to say, regardless of how he want to bring across or steal his son. What me say about it is, I don't think I would bring my son to the light here. I want to bring my son to the light here because right now the world knows say my son there in New York and the world know my son name and the world knows say my son did get molested and the world know everything about my pitney. And it nah gonna be a good thing ever again for the youth because now it happened before social media era. Now it's fresh to everybody, it's fresh to me, it's fresh to you, it's fresh to everybody. Because we think there's something that happened last week. We think there's something that happened last month. Regardless of how long it happened, you know, it's fresh to all of us. It's a fresh situation. Right? So now it's a new trauma now when this youth look on the internet and see him father name. When him see him father name, you go hear the headline say Vegas confront son over confront man who raped his son. Like one bag of headline I got there. And you go see all kind of something. So right now, them have to go watch the youth keenly. Because the youth are 19 now. See? And if him try commit suicide a couple times already. See? If it happen a couple times already, what you think gonna happen now? So me feel like Mr. Vegas should have deal with it different. Him approach the situation ignorant. See? Because him ignorant at the time and he never did a think about the youth. Because knowing how them not to like you upon the internet. Knowing say you was a man with very outspoken because you beat where your brother name? The one from the country. What did I act like woman? Girly. Him beat him name Mr. Handsome. Remember Vegas beat him. And beat and said boy pedophile and one bag of something. So you see through him go do the whole of them something they know. It's like them have a hatred for him because everybody have them fans. Regardless of if your fans are drunk or your fans are dark shit, your fans are everything. See? So through him go do that now. Be people are use the opportunity to show it back in his face when him put it out. Because if he didn't put it out, if he never put it out, we wouldn't know. But what I say is no judgment. He might try to defend him youth. Because how me would I feel if them molest my son? I can't feel good. Probably me that deal it a different way. Because we talk things, you know. But for really take matters in our own hands when time for we do it. Me never, we like we see the camera come out and we see the brother. But how much are we really remember how the man look? How much are we really remember? We remember how Mr. Vegas look. Because we know Mr. Vegas that. But we don't remember how the man look. All in video the man and show it out and the man face. Remember the man go as far as do an interview now. The man do the interview and me I listen to the interview. And the man I say, I see him see the little boy and the next little boy in an uncompromising position. And him say him a go talk. Him say him a go talk and the little boy we are 7 say him a go give money for no talk. Me not get that. A 7-year-old I tell you 11-year-old say. And you extort him for about 8 years straight. Him a fair bring money come give you For 8 years straight, I saw you nice and kind as you hold that little boy's secret. So you see with the next little boy, me not buy that. Me not buy that. After me listen to that interview, me I say, 8 years you are extort him, say I bring 2 bills and 3 bills come here, you are extort him. Eh? You are extort him, you are a level, that means you have more sense more than him. See? Because remember this, you know. A pathological liar, we are tell a lie and believe it. See? Him there in America, just married a child, sort out him papers, so he might worry about him wife. Think. He might worry about if his wife ever help him, because even on the same interview, he must say this thing. On the same interview, he must say right now, his wife they want help him with him papers. See, and he must say, him tell Mr. Vegas where him there. So if him did molest the little boy, if him did molest the little boy, him only make Mr. Vegas and meet him. See, Mr. Vegas same a plan for expose him long time and whatever. So the camera, him did not talk to Mr. Vegas, but when him see the camera, let me tell you this, I said me know me not do something. If me know me not do something, take out your phone and video me. Because remember, so once me on the camera, I can't take it off again. Him not say nothing on the camera for incriminate himself. See? But all me know say 7 and 11. You're 5 years older than this little youth, yeah. See? You say you see man, the next little boy you go on with things. You decide so you're extorting. The extortion something the way extortion the youth for much years, and then you have the youth number for years. You have the youth number for years. Why do you have his number for years? For all these years, you still have his number. Me still not understand that. Oh, you still have the little boy number for years. Eh? A 7-year-old I go just take 300 US and all of them money there. Because him family have money and just bring 300 US come give you. Eh? Because him family have money. Eh? Then you run like, remember say, me listen to your interview, and the interview now say, your back gun. Say Mr. Vegas back gun by you. So you lift up your clothes and you run. If me know me not guilty, me nah run. See, that's why I come on the live and I man in if I make you know say, you have to protect on the youth. Some of the man them boy, yeah, pride on the woman them we have boy children, and them have them look dirty ways and them dirty mentality and them look nastiness, and them pride on the woman them, the single man of them we have son, or pride on them we have daughter. That's why you have to be careful of who you bring in on home. Nothing wrong with being paranoid when it comes to your children, and them if you're paranoid far. You're not supposed to be quick for your man become your daughter's stepfather. You're not supposed to glad for that, because you don't know. Everybody have a past, but what kind of past them have? See, we're living in a world right now where a man run out of our community where him did lean. And him living in another community now. He must say, nobody don't know me up here. So up here, so your name Port St. Lucie. Because everybody know about Florida. Port St. Lucie are like country. See? So you live at Port St. Lucie now. So you feel like, say, alright, enough people, you have along a South Miami. Enough people live at South Miami. Remember South Miami are 3 hours from Miami itself. See? So enough man go find some hiding spot down at them place because him find a woman where down on the side that she come from. And him a do him thing and nobody don't know him escape from that something there. See? And may I tell you no, we have to wise. And we have to listen to our children them when them talk. We have to listen to them. We have to listen to our children them when them talk. Seeing, we have to listen to our children them because we don't know about something happen. And me no believe say that the little boy are the victim. This little boy are 19 now and him is a victim. Remember say right now in a search, people are search for film picture now. True them have a vendetta against him father. Because they remember what his father done to them and what his father said about them. So now them a try look for the little boy the picture. And remember them soon find him picture because he must have social media page. Them soon put it up on the internet because everybody have this clickbait business. Clickbait. Yeah, click. Nobody no business about the charmer with the youth face. I know him cause it upon himself. He was molested. And that's why enough youth now come out. That's why enough youth now come out, because what if a youth get... So what you try to tell me, say, a youth get molested, and you blame him and call him a gay, because them rape him, Them take advantage of him, give him sweetie and give him bag juice and give him all kind of thing and promise him, give him and all of them something there and pry upon him. I want to blame him for something where not him cause. You know how much big man I go through that right now? Nobody no rally for them. Nobody no rally for them. Man I tell us say, oh you born gay. Enough youth a molest them make molest. Enough youth. And nobody no there to sympathize with them. So them just say alright and go down in that field. Remember we don't come on live like we are idiot, you know. See? I remember again, me is a father, me is a man deal with my youth them, and I love my youth them. And I always listen to my youth them first. See? I listen to my youth them first. You have to make it as comfortable space for your youth them can come to you, come talk to you. Your youth them supposed to say, alright, them not listen to me at school. But me know my mother go listen to me, or me know my father go listen to me. First thing a father hear say him son get ready, disassociate yourself like don't flick a girl. Get caught, she fall in love with a youth. And when she fall in love with the youth, the first thing she goes to mama and go do, she go have sex with him and him take out him phone and video her. Because she trusts him. And she get video and perform oral sex on him and she then go show him friend him. Remember, you know, are your daughter. See? Are your daughter. And the first thing as a father when you see your daughter go to mama in an uncompromising position. Where you do it, this one your daughter. Enough band do it. Enough artists in the music do that this one them daughter because them daughter get caught on a video. Enough artists, enough people in a society, enough people because them say, oh, my daughter no fi associate with her, but you not understand, say. She get comfortable with that person and trust that person and that person betrayed her trust. I remember love me could do some things, you know. Love me could do some things more time. We do it out of love. See? So the first thing we do is cast judgment. And them always tell us if you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. Not because your daughter get caught in a position and you feel embarrassed. Think about your daughter first. Leave yourself out there. Because they must say, yeah man, Richie Feelings' daughter. Because Richie name I go call first. Richie Feelings' son. So want to that person. They want to the suicidal rate where I go on to Jamaica. Nobody no business about that. How much little youth are hang themselves because of things that happen to them. These are things that we have to look upon. We must stop cast judgment because none of we not perfect. We must stop cast judgment. I remember telling you something I want to listen to that party because that party is serious. Sending your child to a girl's home or a boy's home will only make your child worse. Now if I have some little girl where force ripe and them well want to go take man and them want to go catch gal and them want to do all of these things. Do not send your child to a foster home. Don't send your child to a girl's or a boy's home. It's going to make them worse. And why I say this, let me explain. When they go to this place, you have boys there are 13 and 14 that killed somebody before. You have girls there that burn up somebody before. You have girls who did away in all kind of thing, will take drug before and all of them something before. Your little child does a move, I show some tantrum where I want simple thing where we can deal with. So when you send your youth to them place, them are going to buck up and worse. So it's only going to grow them to get worse. Boy, it's like a prison you send them gone because they like them can leave and come out by themselves. You say you send them there for 2 years. That 2 years they would have been the worst time of them life because guess what? Them now have them own a place now, them now have them own a game, them now have them own this. Only thing you can go visit. That prison them gone. So do not give up on your youth and say, I can't bother with him. I can't bother with him. I can't bother with her. Send her away. So how you sleep comfortable at night time if you know say you not have the control over your youth anymore. You used to wake up and see your child over the side of the corner there. In the room there, you and your child asleep in the same one room. On the same little bed. And your child gone. We don't have St. Elizabeth. We don't have Mobile. We don't have one part. And you have to take a bus or you have to drive or whatever you have to do to reach to your child every month end. Lose your child, so you know. You have lost your child. So take my advice and do not give up on your youth and talk about you can't bother. And you have the youth, so you're supposed to can't bother from you go through how much labor, somehow you go